Hey creators, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So this is day 4 of our Christmas craft projects, and what better way to grab Santa's attention than with a door sign. Today I'll show you the easiest way ever to make this sign, and I'll make sure to list everything I used in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, make sure that bell notifications on so you don't miss any of my upcoming Christmas craft tutorials. Hey creative, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead over to canva.com. We're going to hit create a design, custom size, and whatever size paper you're using are the dimensions you'll want to go ahead and enter right here. I'm using 13 by 19 size paper, so those are the dimensions that I'll enter. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead over to our uploads and upload the image that we want to use today. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Is the perfect size and design. And I got this from Design Bundles, and of course I'll leave it linked for you guys in the description box of this video. So this is super easy for what we need to do for this project. We're just going to go ahead and take this design and just make it so my door sign is my round is 12 by 12. So I'm just going to make this to fit that dimensions, and I'm going to give myself a little bit extra wiggle room, right? So I did 12 by 3. Going to go ahead and flip the image, right, by going up here to the top toolbar, hitting flip, and I flipped it horizontal. We're going to go back up to the top toolbar, hit share, download, and just download this image, and then we'll go ahead and print it out. Yeah, this one's super easy. So you're going to go ahead and grab your sticker paper. It has a glossy side and a matte side. You're going to sublimate onto the glossy side, okay? So just go ahead and just lay your image right on there. Grab some heat tape to secure it, and we'll press it at 400 degrees for about 60 seconds. Honestly, y'all, this sublimation sticker paper is really a game changer, and you can use it on so many things. I actually ended up using it once on some milk carton water bottles that I made as party favors for my toddler's birthday. I did a TikTok on that, so if you don't follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you definitely should, and my social links are listed in the description box of this video, as well as the supplies for everything I used in this video. So since my press was a 15 by 15, I did press the picture in sections. I did 2 sections just to make sure everything was pressed really well, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down this round with some alcohol just to remove any fingerprints or oils or anything like that, just to make sure the sticker paper can stick really well. And I just had this laying around the house for who knows, for whatever reason, some project I wanted to do but never got around to doing it. But you can use any 12-inch round you find on Amazon, Home Depot, Michael's, anywhere. You can get these anywhere, okay? There's no specific one that you really need to use because we're just going to cover it with some sticker paper. So, of course, we'll go ahead and grab the paper and just cut out around the circle. And I don't cut directly onto this. I just do like a rough cut, right? I cut enough so it's a little bit easier for me to work with, but I don't cut it exactly as a circle because I can just go back and clean it up later. Once it's cut out good enough, we'll just go ahead and peel the back away to reveal the adhesive layer, and we'll just go ahead and stick it onto our round. I don't stick it down all at one time. I just work in small sections. So I'll put a little bit down, smooth it out. I'm using a ruler right here because I couldn't find my squeegee, but I just smoothed it out to reduce any air bubbles or things like that. And basically that's it. I just smooth it and peel some of the paper away as I lay it down flat. And I just want to say thank you for watching this video this far and hanging out with your girl. Of course, everything I use will be listed in the description box below this video. And if you're liking this video, you've learned something new, please give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not already, and make sure that bell notification's on so you don't miss any of my upcoming Christmas craft tutorials. Look how good that looks. Like, it looks really vibrant on camera, but I promise you it looks so much better in person. And look how this is just so good. So I'm just kind of lifting up this area right here because there was a big air bubble, and I'm just scraping that out. So like I said, work in small sections and just kind of, press down, scrape as you go. And now I'll just go ahead and take my scissors and clean up the edges. And to really get a nice clean edge, I'll just go in with my X-Acto knife and get off anything that I couldn't get off with my scissors. And that is it, you guys. We now have a nice, beautiful sign to hang on the door for Santa. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.